Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Italy has a north-south divide. We'll explore the fascinating historical, economic, and cultural factors that have shaped these distinct regions over centuries. From ancient empires to modern industry, Italy's story is one of contrasts. Join me as we uncover the layers of this enduring separation, helping you understand the unique character of each part of this beautiful country. Historically, the Italian peninsula was a patchwork of independent states. The north, with its fertile Po Valley and proximity to Central Europe, saw the rise of wealthy city-states and early industrialization. Meanwhile, the south endured centuries of foreign rule, often under feudal systems, which hindered its economic development. These divergent histories laid the groundwork for the disparities we see today. Economically, the North became an industrial powerhouse, with regions like Lombardy having a GDP per capita significantly higher than the EU average. The South, however, remained predominantly agricultural, struggling with higher unemployment and less infrastructure. Culturally, you'll find distinct dialects, from Gallo-Italic influences in the north to Greek and Arabic traces in the south, alongside unique culinary traditions and social customs. Today, the north-south divide still impacts Italy's political landscape and social policies. The government continues to implement initiatives aimed at boosting the South's economy and infrastructure, striving for greater national cohesion. While challenges remain, there's a growing recognition of the need to foster balanced development across the entire country. For more great tips and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.